How to claim Amazon Prime student discount. So if you want to claim Amazon Prime student discount, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your browser or your Google, anything that you're comfortable with. And here you need to search for Amazon Prime student discount. And after that, you need to go with the first option, which is Amazon Prime student. So as you can see that it says you will get 6 months free trial. So once you sign up to Amazon Prime student, then you will get 6 months free trial. You won't need to pay for 6 months. And after that, you can enjoy Prime half the price, which is just for $7.49 per month. So in order to claim the student discount, you just need to simply go and sign up to the account with a student or as a student, and you will get this Prime student benefits. That's how you can claim it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.